Many organizations struggle with disparate or non-centralized data sources, outdated data platforms, and lack of access to data insights. To help organizations harness the power of their data, Microsoft offers the Azure DPi30 Engagement to help customers understand the value Azure provides in the form of a modern data platform delivered through a consultative engagement. In this engagement, Microsoft and Henson Group will conduct a design workshop to help customers identify up to 3 scenarios, create a reference architecture design, implement a landing zone, and modernize the data estate using Azure Data Services. Best of all, this engagement is typically funded by Microsoft, so you have no risk. Schedule an appointment today at hensongroup.com.